Uba Vincent H. Pala, President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ulaong bakayeng Congress, kalalong kum kabasya khyrwait hakal air lang thari ni Cyclone, hynrei kumba kalong menta ladep pynbha bat pynbet pynbyang yaka. Ulaong bakajing kon kamday kabasuk haka election banwan, hynrei kajing pat hapdeng kiseng san hima sima kan yarap yaka Congress. Ulaong ru bakiwe kiseng san hima kila perkhat lupa ban bat yaki tanat trekam baper ka sarkar.
Definitely, I fully agree with the UDP who has complained against NPP. They are the government, they know better than us. And if you remember correctly, I think in my previous press conference, I said that we in the Congress, we are just like that houses which have been blown away by the cyclone. But we have repaired it, we have renewed it, we have painted it. Now it's all new, look new, brand new. So we're ready for the elections. Same thing. I also told that these parties, the UDP, NPP, there will be lots of infighting inside. So the infighting will become more and more towards the election. On that ground also Congress will have a mileage where we are working unitedly within the party to fight against the other parties. Whereas the other parties, they start fighting amongst the coalition, fight getting within the party. They have already started dividing the portfolios. Who should be a finance, who should be a public works department. If you see some of the parties, they have started dividing the portfolios. But we in the Congress, we are generally fighting the election. But for them, I think that overconfidence, that infighting become more and more towards the elections. So I fully agree with you that the infighting amongst the coalition partners will be more and more. If you see how the BJP is poaching the NPP's candidates, MLAs, and other things also I think are yet to come amongst them.